or Hufcor operable partition system. When partitions are set up correctly, they provide excellent sound control. Sound control is extremely important for the comfort and satisfaction of those using the rooms. In addition to demonstrating how to set up and take down your partitions, this video also includes information on how to clean your partitions, plus a simple troubleshooting guide. Treat your Hufcor partitions with care and regular preventative maintenance, and they'll provide years of trouble-free service. It's important that all operators view this entire video before moving your Hufcor operable partitions into place. Paired panel partitions are hinged in groups of 2 or 3. Paired panels can completely close the opening, or you can place the panels along the track and lock them in place for use as display panels or site dividers. The panels are folded and stored or stacked at one or both ends of the track when not in use. The panels may be stored in a pocket located at the end of the track. The pocket may or may not have doors which cover the pocket opening. When present, these doors are known as pocket doors. Any pocket door instructions provided in this video are for those supplied by Hufcor. Each paired panel has one carrier or trolley located at the top of the panel. This carrier supports the panel and rolls in the overhead track system. The track allows the panel to move in a straight line. Most Hufcor paired panels have retractable top and bottom seals, which seal the panel in the opening and keep out sound. Some models have retractable seals at the bottom and a sweep or vinyl seal at the top. All retractable seals in each group of Hufcor paired panels are operated simultaneously and are activated or set with a removable operating handle. The seal mechanism is located about 40 inches or 1,016 millimeters from the floor in the edge of the panel. To operate the seals, insert the handles over the mechanism, firmly grasp the handle, and turn it approximately 180 degrees. You will feel and hear the force of the seals extending or retracting. The last panel in the opening is called a lever closure panel. This panel is equipped with a full-height expanding jamb. This jamb is used to seal the system tight against the wall or pocket doors and apply force across the entire system. Now, make sure that you set the panel seals before you expand the jamb. Other types of closure panels are also used. If your partition does not have a lever closure panel like this one, please see the options section of this video. Also, make certain your hands are clean or that you're wearing clean gloves before moving the panels. This is especially important if the panels are covered with carpet or fabric. Carpet or fabric can be very expensive and difficult to clean or replace. Before moving the panels, inspect the area and make sure there are no people or objects near the partitions. If your partitions are stored in a pocket, open the pocket door or doors as wide as possible. The operation of Hufcor pocket doors is covered in the options section. It is extremely important that the seals are retracted before moving the panels. After checking the seals, you are ready to move the panels into position. Carefully pull the first group of panels away from the stack. Move them along the track away from the other panels in the stack. Then, with a small nudge, unfold the panels. Move the panels toward the far wall or another air wall. Walk with the panels at a controlled pace. Never shove a group of paired panels down the track. Caution: never move all the folded panels together into the middle of the track. All the weight of the panels placed close together could cause damage to the track and carriers. To ensure proper setup, allow the panels to hang plumb. Typically, the first panel in the pair is equipped with a flexible vinyl seal. Press the pair of panels firmly against the wall or other panels to seal as tightly as possible. Steady them by placing your foot down at the bottom edge. While holding the panels firmly with your foot, set the quick set seals using your removable operating handle. Quickly check to make certain the bottom and top seals are set properly. This will save having to move and reset the panels later. Remember, the seals must be set to keep out sound. If even one seal is not properly set, noise will travel from one room to the next. Move the remaining groups of panels into position the same way. The rest of the panels have a hard plastic or steel seal the full height of one edge. The seal nests into the edge of the adjacent panel. Make certain each pair of panels is pressed tightly to the pair next to them. Be careful not to slam them together. Repeated abuse may damage the panels and the track. Paired partitions with pass doors operate differently. The seals must be activated in 3 different places. First here, which automatically activates the leg of the door. Also, inside the door. And lastly, on the door itself. Place the last pair with the lever closure panel into the opening. You'll be close to a wall or a pocket door, so reach carefully into the edge of the panel and set the seal as usual. After the seals are set, extend the jamb by placing the operating handle into the mechanism on the face of the panel. Turn the handle in a circular motion to extend the jamb until it's tight against the wall or pocket door. Typically, it takes a turn or 2. Continue turning the handle until the jamb will not move. Do not apply excessive force, or you could damage the mechanism. To take down the system, simply reverse the steps. Once again, check to be sure there are no people, equipment, or objects near the panels or in the stack area before moving the partition. First, open the pocket doors if your system has them. Second, retract the expandable jamb. Third, retract the seals and pull the first pair of panels away from the adjacent pair. Gently press in the middle of the pair to fold them flat. Then, push the panels into the stack area, and repeat for all the other panels. When all the panels are in the stack, we suggest you set the seals on the last panel. This keeps unauthorized people from moving them. If you have pocket doors, close them. Hufcor recommends that you conduct a visual inspection of your partitions at least once a year, and quarterly if they're used often. To inspect, move each panel into the opening where you'll have good light and ample room to inspect them. Listen for scraping or unusual noise during movement. This could indicate that a carrier needs replacing. Look for obvious bent or broken parts or trim. Check to see that any vinyl seals are in place and not torn or missing. operate the seals. They should move easily. During this inspection, it's a good time to clean the panel surfaces if needed. Then, clean the inside of the track. Wipe the running surfaces of the track with a clean, lint-free cloth. Make sure to clean all running surfaces. For individual panels, we recommend an annual light application of white lithium grease to the track surface. This will help keep the carriers moving smoothly through intersections. These simple steps will add years to the life of your partitions and keep them working smoothly. Maintenance and cleaning instructions for Hufcor wall coverings. All wall coverings are subject to soiling and wear and require a regular program of maintenance. The following instructions will serve as a guide to normal cleaning maintenance. Always use the mildest cleaning method first before using chemical cleaners. And always follow the manufacturer's cleaning instructions. Techniques for cleaning Hufcor standard fabrics. Routinely vacuum with an upholstery attachment or use a soft nylon brush for removal of dry dirt and grime. Common stains such as scuff marks, heel marks, and soiling often can be removed completely with a dry brush. Stain removal or spot cleaning fabric. Always treat stains promptly when possible. First, spots from dust and other loose particles should be removed from the fabric surface by use of a commercial vacuum. Second, brush dry stains off with a soft nylon brush. Many times, this will be all that's necessary to get a good result. Then, blot wet stains with a clean, absorbent cloth. Wipe away as much as possible. If a stain is not removed, use a cloth in warm water and then a soft brush if necessary to remove the stain. Brush in both directions from the outside in and use a minimal amount of water